What you got? Are you helping Daddy? Okay, give them to Daddy.
Here, baby. Here, baby. Brielle.
He's trying to separate them, I think.
Oh, thank you.
Uh-oh.
Thank you. Okay, it's time for the balls. Oh, we're going to do plates? Okay.
Come here. Watch her. She's giving Daddy all of them. Watch. She's giving Daddy kisses. Good job, Brielle. You got a bowl? Go give it to Daddy. Oh.
Thank you.
Get another one. Just a minute. Look at her. What you got, Brielle?
Whoa, y'all break it. Oh, I'm sorry.
And Brielle gets last one.
All right, guys.
Okay, Mom.
Good job.
Yeah.
This one.
Hold on. Oh, here, Brielle. Here's one. Want this one? What you got? Take it to Daddy.
Hi.
Oh, thank you.
I get the last